Good morning. This morning I'm going to show you how to create the AdventureWorks database on Microsoft SQL Express 2019 installation. So on the agenda is creating the AdventureWorks database on a new SQL Server Express 2019 install. And what I do is I normally prefer using the script, but there is also a back file. Please feel free to visit my website and also donate at this Patreon site for the movies that are created. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, I did a search on our friend Google, and I went to looked for DB samples, examples, and as you can see here, they've got an AdventureWorks 2019.bak file, or you can download the data warehouse or the lightweight. I've already downloaded this version, but if you need to, you just click on it and you'll see that it'll start downloading in the bottom left here. It's quite a large file, so it takes a while to download. If you scroll down a bit further, you'll see that there's two scripts: the AdventureWorks OLP script and the AdventureWorks DW scripts. These are only 20 meg files, so I've downloaded it already. These are much smaller and easy to use, so I've already got it. Once you've downloaded it from the Microsoft website, I've gone into my downloads folder, and you'll see here I've got the back file, I've got the OLTP install script, as well as the DW install script. So I've extracted the OLTP script and it's put all the files in this folder. So if I go into this folder, you'll see there's quite a lot, and you'll see this is the main SQL script in order to install this database. So from here I'm going to open up Microsoft's Management Studio, which gives me this. Okay, and if I go and I want to connect, it'll come up with this Object Explorer. I'm happy to connect. Okay, then you'll see if I go to databases and system databases, I've got nothing over here. So in order to run the script, I'm going to go to open, and I'm going to say project or solution. Okay, and then I'm going to go to my downloads, I'm going to go to my AdventureWorks, and over here I'm going to change this to SQL. It should be the SQL installation. Okay, so this is just projects, so I'm not going to use that option. I'm going to go file, open, and I'm going to choose file. Okay, go back to that downloads, AdventureWorks script, and I'm going to choose this install one, because if I choose this here and I say I'm looking for a SQL Server file, you'll see just that one shows up. Click on open, and from here you can basically click on execute, and it will create you your database. So this is the whole script, and so let's go ahead, click on execute. Okay, it's coming up with some errors, so it seems like this script is not really going to work for us. I haven't made any modifications to the script. Okay, so instead of using that, I'm going to rather go and do a restore. I'm going to say restore database and use the BAK file that I've got. Click on device, go here, say add file. I'm looking for my downloads, so that'll be under users, Chris Wells. Okay, that option is also not working so well. So what I've done is I've clicked in here, I've gone and copied this address. I'm opening up an Explorer window and I'm going to paste this address in here, and that is okay. It's got to give me access. Then what I'm going to do is go to my downloads and make sure that I copy the back file, this back file, through to this backup folder. Click on paste. Once it's in there, I should be able to now find it. Click on AdventureWorks, click on OK, click on OK, and you'll see there it creates the name. It's got the database name, and it asks me where it's going to put my SQL database. At the moment, where is the file path? I'm happy to leave it at the default. So I'm going to just click on OK, and you'll see that it will start doing a restore. Okay, there we go, restored successfully. And as you can see here, now I have an AdventureWorks database, and there's all the tables that I have. Sales, production, person, human resources. So thank you for watching this video. Sorry there were so many hiccups, but I hope that you can see how easy it is to create the database, even though you need the back file and not the script. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.